Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Joel from Brik Hills. Today I am going to teach you about how to find out the number of stairs and also how to draw the staircase drawings. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for channel. Thank you all for your supports. Today I am teaching you about how to draw U-shaped staircase, which first landing is at the lintel level. I am going to teach you about how to draw a U-shaped staircase which first landing is at the lintel level. You need to set the level at first. That means the floor level and also the lintel level and also the roof level. The lintel level is part 2 means where is the stairs first landing is at the lintel level. So you need to set the level of lintel level to draw the staircase drawing. Let's move to the drawing. I'm showing about how to find the number of stairs and also how to draw the staircase drawing. I'm showing about the sectional view of the staircase so that you can easily understood how to draw the staircase drawing. It is one of the most important topic for every type of construction. You need to construct staircase in every building, so you must know about how to draw the staircase drawing, and also you must know how much number of stairs is required for this building. Let's go to the drawing. I'm setting the floor level and also I'm offsetting and drawing the lintel level, which means I am offsetting it to 7 feet and 6 inches, which is the top of the lintel level. And next again roof level, it is from lintel, it is 3 feet and 5 inches. Let's check the dimension from floor to lintel level. It is 7 feet and 6 inches, and from lintel to roof it is 3 feet and 5 inches. Generally in stairs, the standard dimension of the stair is the riser is 6 inches and the thread is 9 inches. We can draw the drawing. The riser has 6 inch and thread is 9 inch. Let's check the dimension. The riser's dimension is 6 inch and the thread's dimension is 9 inches. Similarly, draw these steps up to it reaches the lintel level. This is the steps to draw the stairs for a building. It reaches the top of the lintel level. This much number of steps is required in a building up to lintel level. And again we need to draw the staircase from lintel to roof level. The same dimensions are followed. The riser height is 6 inches and the thread dimension is 9 inches. Similarly, draw the steps up to the roof level. Look at the final step. There is a 1 inch variation between the roof level and the steps. That is because of the thickness of the roof slab is 5 inches and the height of the riser is 6 inches. So there is a 1 inch variation between this. So you need to trim it out. Therefore, the last height of the final riser is 5 inches. Remaining steps or riser height is 6 inches. Only the final steps riser height is 5 inches. Then let's count down the steps, number of steps required for this building. 1, 2, 3 and so on. Therefore, there is total 22 numbers of steps are present in this drawing, which means up to floor to lintel level it requires 15 steps, and from lintel to roof level it is 7 steps. Therefore there is total number of steps is 22 numbers. The horizontal distance between the lintel to floor stairs is 10 feet and 6 inches, and the horizontal distance from lintel to roof level stairs is 4 feet and 6 inches. This is the method to draw staircase, and also this is a method to find out the number of stairs required for a building. In this similar way you can draw steps according to the height of the building, according to the height of the lintel levels, according to various levels. This is the easiest step and the easiest method to find out the number of stairs required, and also how to draw the staircase. I hope you all get understood. Keep supporting us. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.